Affiliate marketing is the best place to start because it simply has the best business model in the world. Listen, I've been there and done that. I've tried all kinds of stuff. And I'm here to tell you, you can start affiliate marketing like that. And you can be anywhere in the world. I mean, I've taken my laptop and, had to go to events and stuff for my daughter or worked on my phone. It's nice, especially since I'm able to be there for my daughter and I can work. I don't have to deal with fulfillment. I don't have to deal with bad people that didn't get their products. The bad people can be mean to you. Oh my gosh. And I don't have to worry about storing anything. I don't have to worry about stock. So it's really easy to start and anybody can do it. So it's great for beginners. I mean, it teaches you the skills to market. And then you can take that and it's going to be helpful for you the rest of your life. Because I've said this once and I'll say it again. No matter what you do, as long as you learn to market, you're going to be successful. So what's more perfect than starting with affiliate marketing? If you're not trying to help people, you're not going to make money. And you've probably seen quotes from me on social media or YouTube. I say this all the time because it's really, really true. So if you're thinking you're going to get into affiliate marketing, but you don't really want to help people, then you need to get out now because that's really what it's all about. So what makes it so cool, why I love it so much. All right. Stop selling, start helping. Zig Ziglar. I love that. It's my favorite marketing quote. Stop selling. Emails and marketing and videos. I used to do this too, like drop funnels. Okay, it's one of the main things that I use. It's what I created this course on. But I was like, you're so awesome. You gotta get it. No, you can share something that I did. I did this course on drop funnels and I had to pay another big place, whatever, to you create a course with their software. So you share something like that. You create a TikTok video, you can create a YouTube video, you can create a post, it doesn't matter. Don't sell. This is the perfect roadmap to help you make an impact on the world by helping others and at the same time gaining the freedom that you want and you deserve. So if you really want that, I always talk about time freedom because if you want the time freedom with your family, because that's what got me into all of this, I wanted time freedom with my daughter. So if you want time freedom and financial freedom, then you help people and I promise you will have the freedom that you deserve. So if you think about it, what you're really doing is you're becoming a teacher, which isn't too bad. Hey, let me help you with this. Let me show you this. So you're a teacher and then it's like you go from helping people and teaching people. And let me tell you something that I had to pay to learn is then at that point, when you're learning something, like while you're watching me, don't just listen and learn from me. Watch how I am teaching, and that will help you learn. So you have a problem, you find an answer, you solve your problem first, help others do the same. So you say you're doing this, so you obviously are into, learning how to make money. So that's a problem. Find that answer. Once you have that answer, solve your problem, start making that money and help others do the same. And what I mean by that is you could eventually, when you first get started, I always recommend people like to do courses and then just recommend that course because you're learning how to market. The course will teach you how to market while you're selling that course. And then once you have the money later on, you can create your own course doing whatever it is that you want. That's right. And you know that you got this. So don't stop now. Keep on going to the next one.